Let me tell you something about the Jocks. Take a seat, fellas. Watch my hand. This is a graph of their lives. Ooh, I'm in Pee Wee football. I'm pretty good. What? I can be first string on a high school team and get to wear a jacket with leather sleeves? Hooray! Now right there, where they cleaned you out, that's the pinnacle of their lives. Hey, I want to play college ball. What? My GPAs aren't high enough to get a sports scholarship? Ow! I just blew my knee out during practice. Oops, I'm out of school and selling used cars. What? I'm fired? Hand me that bottle of booze, man. Now, let's take a look at your life, shall we? You get called geeks, you get cleaned out, girls don't even look at you.
I thought this was supposed to make us feel better.
Hold on, Cool Breeze, it gets better. But what? I'm accepted at a Ivy League college? Hey, chicks dig smart guys, who knew? Whoa, look at me, I'm the head of a Fortune 500 company. And yes, Mr. Jock who cleaned me out, I will have fries with that.
Wait, no, but that's like a long time from now. We have to put up with this for another 3 years.
That's why you have to learn to enjoy the simple pleasures of life.